Dustproof Professional Model, ARC 200D. Professional dustproof design adapted to harsh working conditions. Current sensor sensing current in real time to drive precise control. Real 200A, stable output. Auto match display, the ideal rod diameter appears as you adjust the current. Hot start, adjustable hot start current to ensure smoothly arc ignition. Anti-stick, prevents rod sticking for just smooth welding. VRD mode, with VRD function to ensure operation safety. Welding demonstration.